भाजप सरकार लोकांचो आवाज दामून आपली मनमानी करपाचो यत्न करता अशें म्हणीत महिला काँग्रेसीची अध्यक्ष बीना नायकान सरकाराचेर फोग काडलो। राहुल गांधीन कन्याकुमारी ते काश्मीर मेरेनची पदयात्रा काडिल्ल्यान भाजपाचे फुडारी भियेल्यात, देखून अशा पद्दतीन अपात्र थारावन संसदेंतल्यान भायर काडपाचो कट भाजपान रचलेलो आसा अशें म्हणीत बीनान उतरांचे फार पेटयले।
And because the voices of people are being suppressed, Rahul Gandhi thought that he should make a padayatra, and he started his padayatra from Kanyakumari to Kashmir, which we all know. He तो 4,080 किलोमीटर चाललो, 12 स्टेट्स त्यानं कव्हर केले, 2 युनियन टेरिटरीज कव्हर केले, आणि लोकांक आपलं हेल्पिंग हँड दिली। लोकांक सांगितले हांव तुमच्या बरोबर आसा आनी तुमी भिवपाची गरज ना। There is a word in Malayalam which says kaithangu. Kaithangu means helping hand. Today the situation is such ironical. A person who wanted to give a helping hand to the people of India, a person who wanted to build houses in his constituency, that is Wayanad, where he has built along with his Congress leaders as well as Congress workers, 25 houses he has given for those people, those who build and construct houses for people, bungalows and houses, that is laborers. And he had a dream, not only to build 25, but to build many more houses for these masons, for these workers, for those who are building our bungalows. But what an irony it is. A person who dreamt for the houses of others, his house is being taken by the present government. It's an ironical situation. Rahul did not make anything on. Rahul Gandhi never said anything on any caste. He never assaulted anyone, and still he is being disqualified from the house immediately within 24 hours.